What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Patriot Arms channel. Today we got a very old one that we're showing off. It is a Stevens model 15B. It's a single shot bolt action. It doesn't even, as you probably saw in the intro, when you run the action on it, it doesn't even cock it. You have to manually do that. So it's a fairly interesting little firearm that I got at an auction for 200 bucks. So let's put some more rounds through it. Always forget to cock it. So yeah, it's a little bit different. Like usually bolt action rifles would have a magazine where you put the magazine in and it would self cock, and but I've never actually seen a single shot bolt action 22 rifle. Now I think this one has been redone because all the ones that I found were a darker wood color. Like I looked it up online, and most of them were darker wood color, and I don't even know if they had the gold diamond in it or not, or these gold bands in it. I don't know if you can see that. And this one actually has a gold band back here as well. So I think somebody refinished it. Oh, it's also got a gold diamond right there too. I couldn't find a whole lot on it online actually, or not this specific one. So I'm not sure what year it was made and all that stuff. But we're shooting the Federal 36 grain. I shot it a couple times off camera, and it shoots, seems to be fairly accurate. Cock it. It was shooting high though. I had to move the sight down a little bit to get it on target, or closer on target at least. So yeah, like I said, I found this at an auction, and I thought it was a pretty cool little firearm. So I ended up buying it and getting it for $200. Fun little plankster. And I'm also I also like the historical firearms and stuff. So I try to, whenever I get a chance to get a good deal on one, I try to pick it up. I've been able to pick up some pretty good deals on old ones at auctions recently, or this past year. So yeah, I wish I knew a little bit more about it, but it looks pretty cool. Single shot bolt action rifle. And all in all, I feel like it was a pretty good buy. It works. Seems to be shooting accurate. Hitting the 12 by 12 plate down range, no problem. About probably 30 yards, something like that. But yeah, pretty cool little firearm here. Would be a good little collector's piece for me, I guess. The trigger on it is actually not that bad. I don't know if you can see that. It's got that little bit of take up. I don't want to dry fire it, but it's kind of hard to. So you got that little bit of take up. There's not really a wall there. It's just probably a 3.5, maybe a 4-pound pull on it. I heard some people say that this would be probably online when I was researching it. They said it's probably like a early 70s model, but I'm not sure. Some were saying it's later model than that. Some were saying it's earlier. So it's hard to say with this exact one. I couldn't find like they had the Model A, I think it was. That was most of the information I found on it. Couldn't find a whole lot on the Model B, but I think that's it's going to be kind of a shorter video. It's not a whole lot to talk about for me since I couldn't find a bunch of information on it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Stay up to date. Hit the notification bell because YouTube likes to hide my videos, or any gun videos for that matter. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.